How to remove a green screen from the video using Adobe Premiere Pro. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video I'd like to show you how you can remove green screen from your video using Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, without waste of time, let me start. At first, click to open Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, now here click on New Project. Enter the name that you'd like to use for this project, like test, then click on Create. Okay, double click here and then we import these two footages that we are going to use. One for the green screen, another one for the background. Now drag and drop the background into the timeline. Now drag and drop the green screen video on the top of the background. Okay, here let me remove the audio. Now it's time to remove the green screen. Here let me first adjust the scale. After that, move to the Effect tab, then type in key. Move down here and then select Ultra key. Drag and drop it to the video that has the green screen. Now this side, move down. Under key color, click to select the pen tool. Now move this side and then click where you see the green screen or the green background, and boom. Here you can see the green screen has been removed. Now here, let me click to zoom. Okay, here you can see we still have some green color. Now let me adjust matte generation. Here start to adjust some settings so that the green color disappears from the video. Once you're done, okay, here you can see we have now successfully removed the green color from the video. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and even leave a comment. Have a nice time.